Hi! In front of me is the LENOVO Tab M8 4th-gen, and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. Begin by simply holding your search bar and waiting for remove option to show. When it does, you need to drag your search bar on top of it. And when you see that the search bar is gray, let go. As you can see, after that, my Google search bar was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!